you wonderful weirdos. So here we are. We're doing the Artlist Creative Fest, and they actually asked us to do a behind the scenes kind of thing for our channels and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy this. The fact of the matter is, there's not really a whole lot going on behind the scenes than what you see. I take on a challenge. I make something out of junk and trash or whatever I can find. We make it, and generally we give it to somebody, or I keep it myself because I am a villain. And then I just add some of that great Artlist music. They have a huge library. I'm not showing for them. I'm just saying a lot of the music you get from me on my video, all the music you get from me on my videos is actually from Artlist, along with some of the sound effects. So that pretty much is self-explanatory. But the one thing you do get behind the scenes is the bloopers. And Bubba, there's some bloopers. Check this. It was just way too much and cost way too much. So I had to get something else, and that just broke. A lot more out of me than I was expecting, but we finally got it. Ice cream. That's the ice cream man. I gotta go get ice cream. Sorry. And he's missing a finger, right? He's like missing. This is what his finger looks like, right? Boom. His finger's complicated. It's more complicated than I thought. Ooh. And we'll get this to him before Halloween so he can do a red rum. He can go red rum. Red rum. Remember that movie? That was a great movie. Red rum. Okay. Whew, more adornments, right? So we got the body filler down. We got the fin. I'm knocking stuff all over. Oh, that's a propane bottle. That's not good. Told me you could pew 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 or something. I don't know. It's kind of amazing that I get anything done. It really is. But that's the whole point of the Evil Lair. Just say you're going to make something, maybe not fully understand it, and just work through it until you get the goal at the end of the day, and then underlay it with some great Artlist music, and make a product at the end of the day that you hope people enjoy. I really do. Speaking of products people enjoy, all the other people that have done submissions and entries, if you click on the hashtag artlistcreativefest that I have in the title, it will take you to all the other creators in the submissions and people that have just put themselves out there to make things too. And they've done a great job. I've purposely gone through and just started watching. There's so many of them. But just finding some of them and giving them a thumbs up and a little bit of encouragement. And I challenge you to do the same thing at the end of the day. It's not easy to make things, as you just saw. But, you get it done. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.